Ready for a dinner that's not only faster than takeout, but also bursting with fresh, bold flavors? If you're craving something delicious, colorful, and easy to make, you're in the right place. Tonight, we're making shrimp and pepper stir-fry, a true weeknight hero that's vibrant, fresh, and on the table in under 30 minutes. It's the perfect answer to busy evenings when you want something homemade but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen. Imagine juicy shrimp, crisp bell peppers, and sweet onions sizzling together in a hot skillet. The colors are stunning, and the aroma will have everyone asking, "What's for dinner?" It's a meal that looks as good as it tastes. The sauce is simple, but so savory, you'll want to drizzle it on everything. It's a blend of pantry staples that transforms the dish, coating every bite in glossy, irresistible flavor. This dish is proof you don't need fancy ingredients to make something special. With just a handful of fresh veggies, some shrimp, and a few basic seasonings, you can create a meal that feels restaurant-worthy. It's quick, adaptable, and a great way to use up veggies in your fridge. Swap in whatever you have on hand. Broccoli, snap peas, or even carrots work beautifully. This recipe is all about making it your own. Forget takeout. Let's whip up a meal that's as fun to make as it is to eat. Cooking together can be a joy, and sharing this dish with family or friends makes it even better. So tie on your apron, gather your ingredients, and let's get started. You'll be surprised at how simple and satisfying this stir-fry is to prepare. You'll be amazed at how easy and delicious this is. Let's dive in and make your new favorite stir-fry together. Before we start cooking, let's gather everything we need for this vibrant and flavorful stir-fry. Having all your ingredients prepped and ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. First, you'll need about a pound of large shrimp, peeled and deveined. Make sure they're fresh and plump for the best texture. Season them with a generous pinch of salt and a bit of freshly ground black pepper to bring out their natural sweetness. For the vegetables, grab one each of red, yellow, and green bell peppers. Slice them into thin, even strips so they cook quickly and look beautiful in the finished dish. Add a medium yellow onion, also sliced thinly, to add a touch of sweetness and depth. Don't forget the garlic. Mince up 3 fresh cloves. This will give your stir-fry that irresistible aroma and a punch of flavor that ties everything together. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. This will help everything sizzle and cook evenly in the pan, giving your shrimp and veggies a gorgeous sear. For the sauce, whisk together a 1/4 cup of low-sodium soy sauce. This forms the savory backbone of your stir-fry. Add 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup for a touch of sweetness, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar for brightness, and a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil for that classic nutty aroma. Sprinkle in a pinch of red pepper flakes if you like a little heat. Adjust the amount to your spice preference. Finally, make a quick cornstarch slurry by mixing 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water. This will help thicken your sauce to the perfect consistency. Now line up all your prepared ingredients on the counter. Taking a moment to organize everything ensures you won't miss a step once the cooking begins. With everything ready to go, let's head to the stove and start cooking up something delicious. Start by heating a tablespoon of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Make sure the oil is shimmering before you move on. This helps everything cook evenly and develop great flavor. Next, season your shrimp generously with salt and pepper, or your favorite spice blend for extra kick. Arrange the shrimp in a single layer in the hot skillet. Cook them for about 1-2 minutes per side, just until they turn pink and opaque. Don't overcook, or they'll get rubbery. Once done, remove the shrimp from the pan and set them aside on a plate. Add the rest of the oil to the skillet, letting it heat up for a few seconds. Then, toss in your sliced onions, spreading them out so they cook evenly. Sauté the onions for about 2 minutes, stirring occasionally until they start to soften and become fragrant. Add minced garlic and stir everything together for another 30 seconds, just until the garlic releases its aroma. Now add your sliced bell peppers to the skillet. Stir-fry them for 3-4 minutes, tossing frequently. You want the peppers to be just tender but still have a bit of crunch for that perfect texture. Pour in your prepared sauce, making sure to coat all the vegetables. Bring everything to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld together and the sauce to start thickening slightly. Return the cooked shrimp to the pan, nestling them among the veggies so they can soak up the sauce and reheat gently. Stir in the cornstarch slurry, mixing well. Watch as the sauce thickens and becomes glossy, perfectly coating the shrimp and vegetables for that irresistible finish. Let everything cook together for 1 more minute. just enough for the flavors to come together. Then turn off the heat and get ready to serve. The kitchen will be filled with an amazing aroma, savory, sweet, and a little bit spicy. You'll know dinner is almost ready when you can't wait to dig in. This dish is quick to make, bursting with color and absolutely packed with flavor. Let's plate it up and enjoy your homemade shrimp stir-fry masterpiece. Serve your stir-fry over steamed rice or noodles, whatever you love. Sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds and fresh green onions or cilantro for a burst of flavor. This dish is endlessly customizable. Try adding broccoli, snap peas, or carrots if you have them. Remember, don't overcook the shrimp. They should be just pink and tender. Enjoy a meal that's healthy, colorful, and totally crave-worthy. Cooking at home can be quick, fun, and delicious. Make it your own and experiment with your favorite veggies. Enjoy your new go-to stir-fry.